Hey guys, so we have an unboxing here of the MacBook Pro 16, my first ever Apple computer. So let's get right to it. Alright, so I really got this for two reasons. So the first reason I got this was to make some videos like this one. And the second reason is because I want to edit higher quality videos. So I've always used Windows, but I've heard that Macs are a lot better for editing videos. So hopefully I can make some videos in 4K 60 FPS. I've been doing 1080p 30 FPS for way too long. So pretty nice box art, pretty nice presentation. So with this you can get all the way up to 8 terabytes of storage and 64 gigabytes of RAM. And this does of course have a 16-inch display. Okay, so not that heavy, but it does have a bit of weight to it. So I'd say about what I expected. And just put this here for a sec. So we also have USB Type-C cable, USB-C to USB-C. It's nice that they're using that rather than a lightning cable. Designed by Apple in California. And your instructions. And two space gray stickers. So yeah, you have this in either silver or space gray. And I of course went with space gray. Alright, and we also have the power adapter. Yeah, man, this is really nice looking. Alright, so looks like not even, yeah, so we do have the instructions right here. Not too much stuff in the box overall, but it does have all your basics. So let's take a very brief look at the laptop. Now this is extremely thin. It's not that lightweight, but it is pretty thin. Alright, so I've been using this computer all week. So far guys, I'm definitely really enjoying it. The laptop is pretty thin, and I'm definitely liking the trackpad on it. So again guys, trackpad works pretty nicely. Now we also have the fingerprint scanner right here, which works pretty much perfectly. The light up keyboard, and we also have this touch bar. Now the video you're watching I made using PC, but going forward I'm going to start using this for it. So hopefully it's going to result in some much better video quality. Again guys, hoping for at least 1080p 60 FPS, maybe 4K 60 FPS, but but that would probably be a lot tougher. But yeah, guys, regardless, I'm extremely excited to use this. Definitely enjoying it. And hopefully I have some better quality videos for you guys coming shortly.